Welcome, everyone. This is a quick overview of accountants.io, and today we will be going through the post login features for a, user. So there are two logins to accountants.io. There's for the user slash customer, and then there's for the accountant. In this video, we're going to be covering for the user and what they experienced. In a different video, we'll be covering for the accountant and what they experienced. And in another video, we'll actually be covering the pre-login experience, which is mostly about accountant discovery. So here are the four pages. Well, first, when I log in, I could see my profile at the top right-hand corner. I could see an Ask Luca search functionality. I can see my left-hand navigation bar, which has four pages or four sections. The first one is the accountant's directory again, that I could see pre-login and post-login, where I'm able to see all the accountants that are available for accountants.io. On the right-hand side, there's a filtering function where I can filter um, the categories, countries that I want to find my accountant in. And it can tell me a little bit about what the specialty of this accountant is and where they operate from. And I can also choose to follow and interact with the accountant directly here. And once I do select follow, I'll be able to see all the services that they want to provide me. So I've also already started to follow an accountant. And so when I want to see the services of the accountants that are working with me, I click services. And here you could see, you'll see services by Dipti, which is one of the accountants that I follow or I've connected with as a customer. And you can see that she's offering one service right here. And so I can actually see if she was offering 4 or 5 services. And when you watch the accountant side of this video, you'll see that there could be how they could configure and create services, which then appear here. I can see all of the services by the accountant which I'm connected to. Pre-login, you'll be able to see the services for all the accountants, so you can select the accountant that you want to work with. And here, if I want to purchase this service, I can click purchase. It'll take me to a product page, gives me more details about it, and I could click buy now, and then it'll pull up all the wallets which I have money in. In this case, I don't have money in any wallet, but it's showing me the price of the service, which is 5.5 rupees, and it says allows me to buy now with the wallets that I've topped up with. So that's the second component, which is the ability to see the services that are offered by my accountant and purchase them. Thirdly, you have an assignments page, which is where you get to create as a customer a request. So in the services page, you get to see the services that the accountants are offering top down. In the assignments page, you get to create a proposal request that allows you to be able to enter what work you need done. So you have, and it's a very comprehensive way to do it. You get to, when you're creating a assignment, you have to add title, skills, scope of work, pricing options that you desire, description, screening questions, advanced questions, and then you would submit that proposal request. And that gets published to all of the customers that publish an assignment, get published to all the accountants that are viable and able to service them. And then they upload the screening questions, and they basically make the proposal for the proposal request. But that's what you can do here. And once you've added one, you could see all of the proposals that you've made here. You could click, you can again, this is all the content that I filled out for one. You can review proposals, you can invite freelancers, or you can finally do the hiring. And so this is the third main feature, which covers the one-to-one relationship between a customer and an accountant. So this is where he can be asking for bespoke services, retainers, things that are only relevant to this one client. And finally, you have Vault, which is all of the wallets. So inside of accountants.io, to manage the retainers and the service fees that the accountants will charge, the client has to actually top up their wallet in any of the forex currencies that they offer that we offer. And here you can see all of the payments that you've made, and you can actually add more money and withdraw money, and keep your wallet up to date, so that when you purchase a service or when you accept an assignment proposal, it automatically debit you, and you need to be able to have the money in your wallet, or else it won't work. And as if you saw, when I was trying to buy the service from Dipti, it said I don't have any money. None of my wallets appeared because I have a balance of zero in all of them. But had I had a balance, I would have been able to pay with that. So these are the main kind of four sections of accountants.io from a client's perspective. You have discovery, you have top down services, you have services that you can generate, which are assignments, for the account. You're making a bid. You're trying to make the accountants bid for your assignments, and you have Vaults, which is the wallet system that allows you to pay the accountants and manage your retainer, which is functions like an escrow in this case. So hopefully that gave you guys a good idea of what the user would experience inside of accountants.io. And we'll definitely be making more videos in the future for each particular feature that we skimmed through today. And like I said, there'll be another video on the accountant's side. Thank you.